Trying to show you how to do something without doing much. Lazy cheap bitch right here. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is
Suck It Up Sunday.
A day where I give you health and fitness tips. And you either decide to take them or just tell me to go f myself. They're both common answers. Well, today I decided to bring you some more weight loss hacks where you don't really have to do much to achieve them. No diet, no exercise. And supposedly they work. I think. I hope. So let's be some cheap lazy bitches together and find out what they are. So let's get started. Weight loss hack number 1. Take a shower. An intermittent shower. That is just not my word. A special shower. All you're going to do is get into a hot shower for 3 to 4 minutes and then turn on the cold water for about 1 minute. And you're going to complete this rotation a few times, always ending with a cold shower. Oh, it's gone. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Sounds so pleasurable. It's really not. Now, this actually makes sense because when your body gets cold, it burns energy to keep you warm, which in return burns calories. And the shock of the hot to cold ratio makes your body work even harder and faster in a shorter amount of time. So I believe that it works. Now, do I like a cold shower? Not at all. It's almost painful for my soul. But if it works, I might be willing to go through the torture. All I'm gonna say. Number 2, brush your teeth after every meal. Now, brushing your teeth after every meal is not only going to help prevent cavities, but it's also going to help prevent you from going back for seconds or overeating. Because once we have that minty taste in our mouth, food just doesn't taste that good anymore. So that's a pretty easy fix. Just brush your teeth. You're doing 2 things at once. Number 3, hot compress. All you have to do is run a washcloth under hot water and then use this warm compress on any trouble areas for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the reason I'm behind this working, I can honestly see because wherever you put the hot compress, you're gonna be sweating and you're gonna be using energy to burn calories. But I would think it would be more of a slimming effect because you're losing probably more water weight than burning fat in that sense. Effective either way if you're trying to slim down, so I mean, just do it. Number 4, massaging or pinching. Now, this method actually has been said to work for cellulite and problem areas because it circulates the blood and helps to fracture the fat. And what you're supposed to do is warm up your hands by rubbing them together, place your hand onto the problem area, and start with a very small circle with added pressure. And then you're going to build to a bigger circle. And you're going to continue to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Who doesn't like a good massage? It's a win-win. And finally, number 5, just breathe. Breathing is essential for everyday life or else you'd be dead. But breathing the correct way will actually help to reduce your midsection and help to tighten and strengthen your abs. What you're going to do is simply inhale for 4 seconds through the stomach. And then you're going to release the air for 8 seconds. Now, the trick to this is you only want to use your stomach muscles, not breathe into your chest. A lot of people like to breathe through their chest, and that's the wrong way to breathe. Then you're going to do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you do it, the more workout you get. Make it look nice and tight, because we like things tight. That's what he said. Anyway, that's my whole tip, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you comment down below, and also make sure you subscribe and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye. An intermittent how do you say that word? An intermittent shower. But a special shower.